For a while, it looked like businesses were finally getting some relief. Supply chains were stabilizing, inflation headlines were cooling, and compared to the chaos of previous years, things seemed more predictable. But in 2026, a different kind of pressure is quietly building beneath the surface. A hidden cost surge, one that many U.S. companies didn't fully anticipate, is starting to squeeze margins in ways that aren't immediately obvious. And what makes this surge so dangerous is not just the size of the costs, it's how difficult they are to see, measure, and control. Because these aren't the kind of costs that show up clearly on a single line item. They're spread across operations, embedded in systems, and often disguised as normal business expenses, until suddenly they're not. One of the biggest contributors to this hidden surge is operational complexity. As businesses have grown, expanded, and adapted to new conditions, their operations have become more layered. More tools, more vendors, more processes, more systems running in parallel. At first, this complexity doesn't seem like a problem. In fact, it often looks like progress. But over time, it creates inefficiencies, duplicate systems, overlapping roles, fragmented workflows, and each of those inefficiencies carries a cost. Individually, they're small, but together they add up in a way that quietly erodes margins. Another major factor is what you could call maintenance costs of modern business. Companies today rely heavily on software, data infrastructure, cybersecurity, cloud services, and digital platforms. These tools are essential, but they're not static. They require constant updates, subscriptions, integrations, and oversight, and those costs don't stay flat. They tend to increase over time. More data means more storage. More users mean higher licensing fees. More systems mean more integration work. So even if a company isn't expanding aggressively, its technology costs can still rise steadily in the background. Then there's compliance and regulation. In many industries, requirements are becoming more complex. Reporting standards, data privacy rules, environmental considerations, and labor regulations all add layers of responsibility. And complying with those requirements isn't free. It requires systems, expertise, and time. Often companies need entire teams just to manage compliance. And while these costs are necessary, they don't directly generate revenue. They're protective costs, which makes them easy to underestimate until they start to grow. Another hidden pressure is vendor pricing. Many businesses rely on external partners, logistics providers, software vendors, suppliers, service firms. And while headline inflation may be cooling, these partners are still adjusting their own pricing, sometimes gradually, sometimes quietly. A slight increase here, a new fee there, a change in contract terms. Individually, these adjustments don't seem significant, but across dozens or hundreds of vendors, they create a steady upward drift in costs. And because these increases are spread out, they're harder to track. There's also a shift happening in energy and infrastructure usage. As businesses become more digital, their reliance on data centers, cloud computing, and always-on systems is growing. And all of that requires energy, which means costs tied to power, cooling, and infrastructure are becoming more important and more volatile. This is especially true for companies investing in AI or large-scale data operations. The more they scale digitally, the more these hidden costs expand. Then there's labor, but not in the traditional sense. It's not just wages that are rising, it's the cost of managing and supporting a workforce. Training, onboarding, retention efforts, benefits, and productivity tools all add to the total cost of employment. And in a world where turnover can still be high, those costs repeat. Hiring someone isn't just a one-time expense, it's an ongoing investment. And when you multiply that across an organization, it becomes a significant factor. Another overlooked issue is what could be called inefficiency creep. When businesses operate under pressure, they often prioritize speed over optimization. They add tools quickly. They implement solutions without fully integrating them. They patch problems instead of solving them at the root. This works in the short term, but over time it creates a system that's harder to manage and more expensive to run. And because it happens gradually, it often goes unnoticed, until costs start rising faster than expected. What makes this entire situation more challenging is that revenue growth isn't as strong or predictable as before. So while costs are creeping up in multiple areas, the ability to offset them with higher sales is limited. That's where the real pressure comes in. Margins start to compress, not because of one big problem, but because of many small ones happening at the same time. This is why so many companies are being caught off guard. They're not seeing a single dramatic cost increase. They're seeing a gradual accumulation. And by the time it becomes visible, it's already impacting performance. In response, businesses are starting to take a closer look at their operations, not just at the obvious expenses, but at the hidden ones. They're auditing systems, reevaluating vendor contracts, consolidating tools, simplifying processes. Because in this environment, controlling costs isn't just about cutting. It's about understanding where the costs actually are. And that's not always easy. There's also a growing focus on efficiency at a deeper level. Not just working harder, but working smarter. Streamlining workflows, reducing duplication, improving coordination across teams. Because when costs are hidden, efficiency becomes the way to uncover them. Technology is playing a dual role here. On one hand, it contributes to the cost surge. On the other, it offers solutions.